Big news shaking up the global markets today. And it all started with US military strikes on Iranian nuclear sites. The world held its breath as investors scrambled to figure out what might happen next. Here's the deal. Oil prices shot up fast. Brent crude, the global oil benchmark, spiked over 5% early on, hitting a 5-month high above $81 a barrel. West Texas Intermediate followed suit, jumping to over $76. For a moment it looked like oil could keep climbing, but things cooled off just a bit as everyone waited to see how Iran would respond. The real worry? The Strait of Hormuz. About a fifth of all global oil passes through this one narrow waterway. Iran's parliament actually voted to close it, but it's not a done deal. It needs higher approval. Still, if it happens, some analysts say oil could soar to $120 a barrel. That's massive. Global markets responded fast. Stock indices in the UK, France, Germany, and even Hong Kong all slipped. US futures dropped too. Investors rushed for safe havens like gold, pushing prices to a record high. Even government bond yields climbed as everyone braced for potential inflation. And the broader outlook? The IMF is warning that an oil shock could trigger ripples throughout the global economy, maybe even forcing a slowdown in world growth. So, what's next? Everyone's on edge, watching for Iran's next move, and hoping cooler heads will prevail. Stick around for updates as this story unfolds.